Hello guys, I am going to show you in this video how to solve rational equations using Desmos. Since for our purposes, we're going to be using the Desmos NC testing version of the calculator. So if you if you Google Desmos North Carolina testing, you should be able to find this link right here, Desmos North Carolina NC test version. Now, it's important to use this version because there's limited functions on the test when using Desmos. And let's go ahead and solve this rational equation. If we recall, this equation is composed of two different functions. The first function being the left side and the second function being the right side. So I'm going to go ahead and type it into Desmos. So just click there, x minus. Now I want to put in this fraction, 2x plus 3. And I want to divide it by x plus 1. But if you noticed, the 2x did not stay in the numerator. So just make sure that when you're trying to keep something in the numerator, you open parentheses, 2x plus 3, close parentheses, divide by x plus 1. So notice that putting the parentheses around the 2x plus 3 allowed me to keep it in the numerator. So that's the first function. Let's go ahead and enter the next one. So I just pressed enter, or you could click right there to put the next one in. So here we're going to have x divided using the slash on the keyboard, or you could use the keyboard down here. Open parentheses, x plus 1. So as you can see, Desmos graphed my two functions. And this is a system of one function equaling the other. So we know that the solution is where the two functions intersect. If we look at this problem and we click on this dot right here, this is our solution, 3,075. On Delta Math, it's asking us solve for all the values of x. So our solution is only 3. The 0.75 is the y, so that is irrelevant to helping us solve. Another thing I wanted to point out about Desmos was, look at these graphs. Look at the blue graph and look at the red graph. They look like they intersect. But in reality, guys, this is what we call an asymptote. Across this line right here, this is an asymptote. And across this line right here, which looks like y equals 1, let me type it in just to show you. Y equals 1 is a horizontal line, and x equals 1, is a vertical line. If you look at those two lines that I added, these are what we call asymptotes. We'll learn more about them later. But these two functions, the red one and the blue one, will not intersect because they're asymptotes. So just keep that in mind. There is no other solution but this one where they exactly intersect. Hope this video was helpful in helping you solve rational equations a nice and efficient way on Desmos. Thank you.